In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. To get started, log into your Wrike account. Once you're inside the workspace, take a moment to look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation tools you'll use to create and organize your work. In that left panel, find the Tools section. On the right side of it, click the plus icon. A menu will appear, and from there, select Dashboard. This opens the dashboard creation window where you can begin setting everything up. When the dashboard creation window appears, the first thing you can do is edit the dashboard name at the top left. It's a good idea to give your dashboard a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple dashboards for different teams, projects, or reporting needs. Next, you'll choose the type of widget you want to add. Wrike gives you pre-built widget options such as a table, chart, task list, and other ready-made formats. There's also a custom widget option if you want to build something more specific, but in this example, we're using a pre-built widget. Pre-built widgets are a great choice when you want to set things up quickly and use a format that's already designed to display your data clearly. Once the widget has been added to your dashboard, don't worry if it's not perfect right away. You can still edit it after it starts pulling in your data. To do that, go to the top right corner of the widget and click the More Options icon. This will open a pop-up where you can make changes and adjust the widget so it shows the information you want in the way that works best for you. If you'd like to add more widgets, go to the top right of the dashboard and click Plus Widget. From there, you can choose more pre-built widgets or create a custom one, and it will be added directly to your dashboard. This is useful if you want to combine different views, like charts for high-level reporting and task lists for more detailed tracking, all in one place. And that's it. Once your widgets are in place and adjusted as needed, your Wrike dashboard is ready to use. It's a simple way to keep important information visible and organized so you can monitor work more efficiently at a glance.